This week I'm going to work on measurement. Measurement is a great way to practice math skills. You can practice counting, comparing quantities, and you can also work on science skills by understanding how different tools work. For this activity, I made a simple balance. I took 2 plastic cups, and each cup I punched a hole on one side and a hole on the other side. Then I took 2 pieces of string, about a foot each, strung it through the cups, and then put the cups on a hanger. I'm going to use this doorknob as the fulcrum of my balance. To demonstrate this activity, I'm going to use a fish, a toy fish. I'm going to put the fish in one of the cups. On my paper, I wrote the word coins, dice, and beans. I think it's always interesting to use different units of measurement when practicing measuring skills. So for the coins, I'm going to use pennies. It's a great opportunity to talk about when you're measuring, you want to use units that are either the same size or weight. So I'm going to count how many pennies it takes to balance my scale, and that will show us how much the fish weighs in pennies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. That looks even, so I'm going to write 11 coins. After you do the first unit of measurement, another extension is to work on estimation skills. Now that you have coins to compare the different units to. So for example, if you're going to use dice next, you can talk about which feels heavier, the dice or the penny. And do you estimate that you're going to need more than 11 dice or less than 11 dice to balance the scale? So my estimate, because the dice is heavier, my estimate is that I'm going to need less than 11. I'm going to say maybe 6 dice. So everyone can make a high estimate, a low estimate, and a just right estimate, and then you can test it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I think 6 was one too many, so I'm going to take it out. And I'm going to write that the fish weighs 5 dice. Another extension is to experiment by changing the balance. You can try having a shorter string on one side and a longer string on another side, or have 2 long strings or 2 short strings, and see if that changes the measurement. Thank you for watching, and I hope that you and your children enjoy this activity.